Welcome to InvestorCue. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for any crypto investor: how to store your cryptocurrencies safely. A cold wallet is an offline storage method for cryptocurrencies, keeping your assets safe from online threats. Imagine having a secret vault where your coins go to sleep, only accessible through a special code. Specialized platforms generate these physical wallets, allowing you to print them out and store them securely, whether at home or in a bank safe. They come with two important keys: public key, like your bank account number, used to receive funds; private key, like your password, granting access to your funds. Since cold wallets aren't connected to the internet, they're highly resistant to hacking. But here's the catch: if you lose your backup, your crypto is gone forever. For those who need quick access to their funds, hot wallets are the way to go. These are online wallets stored on secure platforms, allowing you to trade and transact easily. The advantage? Instant transactions. The risk? Higher exposure to cyber threats like phishing attacks or hacks. So, what's the best approach? A combination of both. Keep a portion of your assets in a cold wallet for long-term storage. Use a hot wallet for regular transactions and investments. Did you know that when you send crypto, your transaction history can be traced? This is called doxing, where others can see your balance and transfers. To stay safe, use crypto exchanges as an extra layer of protection when sending funds. Boost your crypto security. Must-do steps: enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. Use apps like Google Authenticator to prevent unauthorized access. Use a hardware wallet. Devices like Ledger or Trezor store your private keys offline, making it harder for hackers to steal your crypto. Be cautious with browser extensions. Some Chrome extensions can read your data, so disable unnecessary ones before accessing your wallet. Limit token approvals. When interacting with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon smart contracts, never approve unlimited token access. Set spending limits to protect your funds. Now that you know how to safeguard your crypto investments, it's time to put these tips into action. Like, subscribe, and stay secure in the crypto world. See you in the next video on InvestorCue.